The idea of genetic immortality is one of the most fascinating and most dangerous frontiers in modern medicine. This isn't science fiction. Right now, science is already touching that boundary. Through telomere research, DNA editing, and technologies like CRISPR, tools that can literally cut out weak parts of our DNA, replace them, and improve human beings on a genetic level. Humanity has already extended the lifespan of mice by nearly 40%, and today, some of these treatments are already being tested on humans. Even though full genetic immortality might only be achievable by the middle of the next century, the first generations of immortal humans may already be alive today. But nature beat us to it. Genetically immortal creatures have existed on Earth for millions of years. One of them is the jellyfish Teratopsis dohrnii, capable of turning its cells back to a youthful state, effectively erasing the signs of aging. This discovery opened the door to a new kind of medicine, one that could heal, rejuvenate, and maybe even stop aging altogether. But the greatest obstacle isn't the technology itself. The greatest obstacle is the risk. In 2018, a Chinese scientist shocked the world. He genetically modified the embryos of twin girls, creating the first humans resistant to the HIV virus. Their altered genes will be passed on to their children and will remain in the human gene pool forever. He was sentenced to 3 years in prison, and the world tightened restrictions on human genetic modification. We've been creating genetically modified crops for decades, plants that survive droughts and pests and probably prevent global famine. So why not do the same with people? The answer is simple, but terrifying. Today, a complete rewrite of human DNA is only possible at the embryonic stage. But the human body is far more complex than any plant. A single mutation in the wrong place could lead to severe disease, or even spread dangerous changes through the gene pool. And that alone could bring humanity to extinction. For adults, curing genetic diseases means modifying billions of cells, but achieving immortality would require editing every cell in the body. Some organs might be easier to grow anew with upgraded DNA and then surgically replace. Those technologies are still at least 50 years away, but the first rejuvenation procedures may appear within the next few decades. And that means this: those who live today and can afford these procedures might live long enough to become the first genetically immortal humans. In the next videos, I'll reveal who they're likely to be and how terrifying the consequences could become. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.